In a world where knowledge reigns supreme, there's a powerful tool that drives progress and innovation: research. Welcome to today's video, where we embark on an exciting journey to uncover the secrets of research, its types, and its profound importance in various fields. Research is the cornerstone of human advancement, allowing us to delve into the unknown, challenge existing beliefs, and push the boundaries of what is possible. It provides us with a deeper understanding of the world around us and serves as a catalyst for change. Before we dive into its importance, let's explore the different types of research. First, we have exploratory research, which aims to uncover new ideas and concepts, often used when little is known about a particular topic. Next, we have descriptive research, which focuses on providing a detailed account of a specific phenomenon or subject. It helps us understand the characteristics and qualities of a particular topic. Then there's correlational research, which investigates the relationship between variables and helps us identify patterns and connections. Experimental research, on the other hand, allows us to manipulate variables to establish cause and effect relationships. Moving on, we have applied research, which aims to solve real-world problems and find practical solutions. It bridges the gap between theory and practice, bringing scientific knowledge into everyday life. Finally, there's fundamental research, which seeks to expand our understanding of the world without immediate application in mind. It's the pure pursuit of knowledge. Now that we've covered the types, let's explore why research is vital in different fields. In medicine, research helps us discover new treatments, develop life-saving drugs, and improve patient care. In technology, research drives innovation, allowing us to create breakthroughs, develop new technologies, and improve existing systems. In the social sciences, research helps us understand human behavior, address societal issues, and shape policies that lead to positive change. Research is the driving force behind progress. It empowers us to tackle complex challenges, unravel mysteries, and shape a better future for generations to come. As we conclude our exploration into the world of research, let's remember that the pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds. Whether you're a scientist, a student, or simply curious about the world, research opens doors to endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep researching.